Hi, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use Loom on Chrome web browser right here. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Google Chrome extensions right here. And then you want to search for Loom right there. Then what you want to do is click on it, and then you want to add to Chrome right there. It says it can read and change all your data on the website you visit. Display notification, capture content on your screen. Click add extension, then it should bring up with the website right here, but it downloads at the bottom right here. Click exit right there. Then it's gonna bring you with this option right here. You see, what will you use Loom for at work, as a teacher, as a student, or personal use? Click whichever one you have right here. I'm going to click personal use right here. I'm going to click personal use for Loom right here. Then you'll have desktop, app, and the Chrome extension right there. The one we're going to be looking at is Chrome extension. Later on, we're going to be looking at this one right here. Now, what you want is continue to workspace right there. Then you can record a video right here. There's two ways to record a video. Record video right there, and I'll show you the other method to do it right here. Click on that, then you want to click on a website because it's not going to let you screen record right here, you see? I see right here. Cannot record here. We cannot record on this page. Please try another one. So I'm just going to use Google Trends right here. Then to start it, you can start right there and then click Loom for Chrome right there. And then you want to do it again because it did not show up. Right here, you have all these settings right here. You have the face cam right here. You see, you have big, and then you have normal right there. I would not recommend you have the big one because that is just going to take up your whole screen. This is for the webcam, but since I don't have the webcam, it's not going to show up right here. You can add a webcam. I'll show you how you can add a webcam later here. Here you have the hide menu right there. You see it hides it. Then you have cancel recording, pause recording or resume, and here is the start recording right here. You have a 5 minute limit on recording with the free version. So just upgrade if you want more, or you can just stop the video once it reaches it, and then you can start again. Right here. Now you have screen and camera. This is going to record your screen and the camera right here. And then you have screen only, which is going to record the screen and no webcam right here. Then you have right here camera only, which is only going to do the camera and no screen recorder. You know, or the screen is going to get recorded right there. And here you have recording settings right here. You have default microphone. You can choose any microphone you have available right there. Now, the camera, you can choose any camera that is connected to your computer right here. Then you have some other options right here. You have show advanced options right here. You see, use photo as screen only. You can take that off right there, and then it's not going to be showing the screen webcam anymore. Then you have control menus, so that can go away right there, but you need that to show it right there. Then you have record countdown, and then show record limit right there. You need this so you know how much time you're recording, but this will not show up. These options will not show up in your video recording. Now you can hide these options right here. For desktop and current tab, I'll show you what these are right in a minute right here. Here you can start your recording, or you can start it right here. You can start it right here by clicking the start right there. Then it will bring you your entire screen or application window right here. You see, it's bringing you your whole screen that you want right there, and you have current tab. I'll show you what these mean in a minute. I'll start with the entire screen right here. You see share? You want to click share every time you do any of these screen recordings you have right here. Click share, and then a countdown is going to be coming on right here. Click this button to hide the menu right here. Then you can click right here to stop sharing and to hide right here. Now I'm just going to type in random ransom right there and see what comes up right there. Then you click images right here, and then you see all these weird images come up. Then I'm going to click on jacked up trucks right here. I'm going to click jacked up cars right here. You see? Oh, right here, all the screen recording that I'm doing is showing up right here. I recommend that you have this menu right here because you can see the web, how much time you screen recorded for. You see? Now, I'm going to do right here. Right here, you see? I typed in junkyard cars and that's what came up right here. Now, to stop your screen recording, what you want to do is click right here on the finish recording. Then, Loom video recording website should come up right here so you can see your video. Right there. It says copy the link got copied right here. It says use Loom in Gmail to send faster. You'll not need that right now. Click X right there. Then I'll show you what all these options you have right here mean. Here is video preferences that you can do comment and anything else you want right here. You can pause the video to read it right here. Now the other option you have is trim it right here. You can trim it from the start and the end. You cannot trim the begin, the middle of the video. You need an editor so that you can do that right there. Now I'm going to return to video, and then you have call to action right here. You can add a lower third right here so that if you have a YouTube channel, people can subscribe to your account right here. You have all these options right here. Now what you have is this right here. You have thumbnail, so you can add a thumbnail so that it's clickable thumbnail and people know what the video is about right here. Now you can exit that out right here. You have this button at the top right here. That's to move, invite, star, rename, duplicate, archive, download, and delete. Now, if you want to send the video to someone right here, you can click copy link right there. And right here, you can change the title to the video right here. You see, I'm going to do right here. You see tutorial video right there. Then you can copy the link again and then head into a different web browser right here. Paste and then enter it, and then you should come up with the website for Loom right here. Your video is right there. You see, I need to sign in, but I'm not going to sign in right here. You can download it right here, and it says get Loom for free. You see, your video is right there. I'm going to play it. Click this button to hide the menu right here. Then you can click right here to stop sharing and to hide right here. Oh, right here, all the screen. Click right here on the. You see right there. Now you want to exit out of the web page right here. What you want to do is you want to go back to Loom video recording right here so you can record. Click here. And then right there, I'm going to show you what current tab does right here. Click on current tab, then you can start your recording. Then it's going to only do this one web page right here. You see, I go here, and then you cannot see it right here. You see, you cannot see this website right here. You can only see the current website that you're on. You see, I'll type in, I'm going on any website right here, and then you cannot see it. You can only see the one website right here. I'll stop it right there. You see, I'll play it for you right here. Right here, you see, I go here, and then you cannot see it right here. You see, you cannot see this website right here. You can only see the current website that you're on. You see, you cannot see it. You can only see the Google Trends right there. Do the screen recording again, and then you can do for desktop and start your recording. Then it should come up with this right here. You want application window, you can do Google Trends application right here. Then you have current tab as I showed you right here. You see, application only going to do Chrome right here. You see, it's going to bring the countdown, and only Chrome is going to get seen right here. Stop, hide it. You see, I'm going to exit out, and then only Chrome is going to get seen right here. You see, when I stop the screen recording, only Chrome is going to get seen right here. I'm going to stop it right there. You should only see Chrome being right there. It's going to get seen right here. Stop, hide it. You see, I'm going to exit out, and then only Chrome is going to get seen right here. You see, when I stop the screen recording, only Chrome is going to get seen right here. I'm going to stop it right there. You saw right there, there was a white screen, so I do not recommend that you do where you go out and minimize the screen of your Google Chrome right there, because it's not going to get seen. You only need to be on the web page and select what you want for your screen recording to be happening. Because if you exit out, it's going to be becoming a white screen and you will not see anything. To fix that, you want to click on this one right here. You want to click on this option right here. Click on full desktop. You see, I'm going to click on full desktop. Entire your screen right here. Then I'll show you what it does right here. You can go off the screen right here. You see, I'm going to go off of the screen on Chrome right here, because you see right here, Loom, Chrome is sharing your screen right here. You see, you can go onto your desktop and do whatever you want right here. Now I'm going to head back right there and then stopping it right there. Then you should see that on the screen right here. You see, I'm going to go off of the screen on Chrome right here, because you see right here, Loom, Chrome is sharing your screen right here. You see, you can go onto your desktop and do whatever you want right here. You see, I'm on the desktop right there. Now, if you want to delete your videos, what you want to do is click personal use right there and then go to continue to workspace. Then it's going to bring you with all your videos that you have right here. To delete, click on it, and then there should be a box right here. Check mark every box right there that you want to delete the video on right there. I'm going to delete it, and then what you want is you want to click on one of the videos right here, and then you can click delete, or you can click right here, delete right there. You see, no more videos are on your screen recording video page right here for Loom. Now if you want to remove your Loom from your Google Chrome, what you want to do is head to a new tab, click on the puzzle icon extensions, click on the three dots right here, and then remove from Chrome right there. Then it's going to be bringing you with this. Sorry to see you go. You can, it says this short survey should take only no longer than 30 minutes. You can give them a survey of why you don't like Loom for screen recording. So that's it for this video, guys, on how to use Loom for your screen recording on your computer. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more how-to videos like these ones.